guys, it's Cassia. Welcome back to another video in hotel quarantine. There'll be a bunch of videos coming out where I'm in hotel quarantine. Don't worry, I haven't stayed in the hotel for a month. I'm just super bored and spending my time filming videos. So that is why the next couple of videos are still in this room. Today I have a very fun video. I wasn't actually planning to film this in hotel quarantine, but I've just gotten that bored that it's happening. And that is me transforming into an Asian baby girl. I love this trend. I think it is just so cool. You know, it's another Asian stereotype, but it's a stereotype other than like the nerdy Asians. So, you know, we're moving forward. I've just been obsessed with watching other people's videos on this, and I just wanted to create my own. So I brought all my little makeup products with me today, and I'm gonna be transforming myself into an Asian baby girl. You may be wondering, what is an Asian baby girl? This can also be translated as an Asian baddie girl, but basically Google says an Asian baby girl is a young Asian woman who displays stereotypical traits such as enjoying clubbing, wearing excessive makeup and tattoos, and drinking bubble tea. I've got a few things here to help me with this transformation. We've got some temporary tattoos, some fake nails. I'm gonna be ordering some bubble tea. We're just gonna have a fun old time here. I've also trapped Seth in the bathroom just because that's the type of girlfriend I am. I'm gonna reveal to him at the end my whole transformation, and we'll get his reaction and see what he thinks. So I'm just gonna get started. I'm gonna just prep my face. I've done my skincare. I'm just gonna go on with this Snail Miracle Repair Cream. I thought it was fitting to use some Asian skincare. I recently unboxed products from Yes Style. That video should be coming soon. So this trend is like so not me. If you know me at all, I do not party. Like, I have one tattoo and it's really small. So this is just completely not me, and I just wanted to transform myself into a baddie. Pretty much similar to like the Insta baddie trend, but an Asian form, which I love. I'm gonna take my Kosas tinted face oil. I don't know why I'm blending it with a beauty blender. I've never used it like this before. What am I doing? Usually for this trend, I feel like you would go with a high coverage foundation, but this is what we have, so we're just gonna roll with it. I also haven't applied makeup for a long time, like a really long time. For me, it's been probably about 3 or so weeks since I actually filmed a makeup video. I just haven't been able to film in so long, just with the whole move and everything, and just everything going on with life. So I don't even know if I can do makeup properly right now. I'm just going to list everything I'm using in the description, but I'm just applying a lot of concealer since we had just like that tinted face oil. I'm also trying to speed this up a little bit because kind of told Seth he'd only be trapped in the bathroom for 20 minutes, but I lied. We're gonna go on with some cream contouring, some Fenty. That's the wrong product. Here we go, cream contour. It's actually really gloomy today here in Perth, which is fine for us because we're stuck in a hotel room anyway, so it's not like the weather can really get us down. I just feel like it's gonna be so weird actually checking the weather and like seeing like how to get dressed and stuff. It's gonna be weird actually coming out of the hotel in Perth and having a social life again. Like, what is that? And like having to actually dress properly and dress up, and it's gonna be so weird. I also haven't actually done makeup to go outside either for months. Like, it's been 7 months now, 6 months. I mainly have only been doing makeup for videos, so yeah, it's gonna be weird. Okay, I'm gonna go on with a cream blush as well. I'm just all about the creams, but that was a lot. Oh my god. Can you tell I haven't done makeup in a while? I don't know what I'm doing. That was a lot. I didn't intend for that to happen. I'm just gonna have to roll with it really, unless I wipe some on my leg. We're gonna go on with this highlighter. This is from VYVYD Studio. It's a cheek flash highlighter in gold play. This was also from my Yes Style box, so I think it's fitting to use Asian makeup for this video. I used to do full face of Asian makeup videos all the time on my channel. I haven't done one in a while, so I might have to do a little shop on Yes Style. This is also just my attempt of showing a little bit more of my Asian kind of side in my videos. I did a video recently on the fox eye trend, and that was pretty much the first time I ever really showed my culture, or just talked about my culture, I guess, and my experiences growing up Asian in Australia kind of in a video before, because I've never really talked about me being Chinese. So yeah, this is just another video where I'm expressing my culture in a little bit more of a fun way. Okay, let's go on with the eyes. I'm gonna use my Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette. The eye look is pretty much just a really neutral smoky eye with a big wing. So that's what we're doing. So I have a neutral palette here with me today. I was gonna go all out and do like cut creases and all that, and then I remembered I haven't done makeup in a long time. I'm also trying that TikTok, the put your records on TikTok. It was so hard. I am still such a noob at TikTok. Like, I just cannot do transitions. My brain just doesn't work in the way that allows me to understand how to do transitions, you know? It's already been 13 minutes of me filming and we're not even close to being done, so I'm just very conscious that Seth is trapped in the bathroom right now. Such a simple eyeshadow look. I feel like the star of the show when it comes to the Asian baby girl look is a big wing and big lashes, so eyeshadow doesn't really matter. So let's do the wing. That's a big wing. That's a very big wing, oh my goodness. Okay, they're definitely not even. My eyes have very different eye shapes, but that's the wing on. I'm gonna pop off camera to do mascara and lashes because that's boring, and I'll be right back. Hello, I am back. Lashes are on. I brought like the biggest lashes I own. We now just have brows and lips to do. I've also ordered some bubble tea on Uber Eats. It had to happen. It's part of the aesthetic, you know? It says it's gonna take about 25 to 30 minutes, which is a little bit rude. That's a long time, but gives us plenty of time to finish this look, so let's do this. I'm gonna do brows first. I'm just gonna set them with some gel. I'm just having so much fun being so extra and like doing all of these steps. I haven't put lashes on in so long. I'm just gonna go on it with a simple matte nude lip. What are you doing, Kylie lip liner? There we go. Okay, this is just MAC Velvet Teddy. Okay, the makeup portion is done. I've got nails to do. I might actually do nails last because I feel like everything else is going to be too hard to do with nails on. Let's do hair. So I don't really have many options. I think I'm literally just going to straighten my hair. So I've got my straightener here, and let's do this. I need to move spots because I can't plug my straightener in here. Okay, the only place I could put you right now that has an available plug socket is near the bed, and I'm at this really unflattering angle, but we just have to go with it. I also don't have any of my styling products. I don't have my heat spray. For some reason in my brain I literally just brought my GHD to the hotel, which I don't even know why I did that, but no hairstyling products. So clearly I was going through something when I was packing for the hotel. Oh, thank you GHD. I'm just gonna do a really rough straighten because I just feel like this part of the look isn't that great. I might actually curl the bottom. Ooh, that was cool. You know what, I'm just gonna do my hair in the actual mirror and I'll be right back with you. Okay, we have straightened my hair. I feel like usually with an Asian baby girl they'd have like really long extensions or like a high pony, but I just don't have that at my disposal right now, so that is it. Ooh, my bubble tea order. They're wrapping up my order. So now we have to deal with the clothes. So alright, this is what we're going for. Literally just a bralette. Realistically I would have wanted just like a black singlet, but I didn't pack one, so we are limited in options of what I can wear. But let's go on with the tattoos, and then we'll go on with the nails, and then we're done. I ordered from Easy Tat. I ordered a few different designs. I'm really excited about them actually. So I ordered a couple of different ones. So I feel like we're gonna place them. I think it's supposed to look like you have quite a lot on. I kind of also want a neck tattoo. I think that'd be funny. But let's see what we can do. I think I'm gonna put one of these flowers on my neck here. So it's like a little neck tattoo. I want two tigers like just here, and then we'll put a couple on my arm. We're just gonna have fun with it. I really hope this comes off easily because or I'm just going to wear turtlenecks because I still have work and meetings to do via camera. Hopefully I can just turn this way or like wear some sort of turtleneck to hide it. I've got a damp cloth here. Just have to hold it for 30 seconds. Okay, it's been 30 seconds, I think. Alright, let's feel this. Ah, that is sick. Oh god, I want a neck tattoo now, guys. Okay, we're gonna put this tiger here. Yeah. Oh no, I kind of want him to face. I want the head to be in the center, so we'll do it like this. I'm gonna keep tattooing myself. Bubble tea 0 minutes away. Oh my god, they're gonna come and I'm just gonna be tattooing. Oh, I think we messed up his ear a little bit, but still cute. I actually love that. I kind of want a tiger tattoo there. Fun fact, I do actually have a tiger tattoo in real life. It's on my ankle. We might put like, do I want like the tiger's head here or this tiger? I think that tiger's one. My bubble tea's here. Got my bubble tea. I feel awkward, so I put my shirt back on. I just got an original milk tea with pearl and lychee jelly because I'm a basic bitch. That's how you do it. Oh, that's good. The aesthetic's already coming together. I love it. Okay, I'm just gonna keep tattooing and I'll come back to you when it's time to do nails. Okay, I definitely think that is enough. I am loving this aesthetic, guys. Oh my gosh. I only have 2 that I didn't use, but I just feel like this is enough. I love this, guys. I actually want all of these tattoos right now. I feel so cool. I feel so cool right now. We've got nails and jewelry. Let's do the jewelry first because it's just gonna be too hard to put it on after nails. Jewelry mainly just calls for big hoops. I've got 2 pairs of hoops. This pair is obviously a little bit bigger. I also have this pair. The hoops are a little smaller. They've got little origami birds on it, which I just think adds to the like Asian aesthetic, don't you think? Okay, I went with the butterfly hoops. You can just see them a little bit better. The ones are just a little bit too small, so they don't add to the vibe. The last and final step is fake nails. I have this pack that I got from just like Chemist Warehouse. I already have quite long nails that are painted purple, but this is the aesthetic, so we gotta do it. It's definitely gonna ruin my nails, but it's all good. But let's give this a go. Comes with a little nail file, very cute. I would also like cut my nails and take my nail polish off before doing this, but I didn't bring nail polish remover to the hotel, so we just gotta put them on top of these long things anyway. All I can say honestly is that Seth is gonna hate this. He absolutely hates tattoos and like fake nails and all of this stuff, and this is just so not me at all. This already feels so strange, but I'm kind of loving it. Please give this video a thumbs up for all of the effort I'm going to transform myself into a look that my boyfriend's not even gonna like. No, but this has been so fun. I love this. Also, look at how long my natural nails are compared to them. Like, there's not even that much height difference. Drinking my bubble tea with my long nails and my tattoos. I am feeling myself right now, guys. Look at this. Oh, so this is the full Asian baby girl transformation. The bubble tea. The only thing that could have completed this whole look would be contact lenses. I just didn't get any because I already spent money on the bubble tea, the tattoos, and the nails. So I was just like, that's enough. So that is the full look done. I'm gonna go get Seth and we'll see what he thinks. He's absolutely gonna hate it. And I think it's gonna be so funny. What do you think?
No.
What do you think?
Very nice.
Yeah.
Your makeup's very good.
Thank you.
It works. It looks like you need to go to an alternative concert or something.
I do. I really like it. I want to get all these tattoos for real. You like it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Are you sure? You hate it?
I mean, I wouldn't want the tattoos on you normally.
No, I know.
But your makeup looks really nice.
Thank you. I wasn't expecting that. Okay, so that is my full transforming myself into an Asian baby girl video done. Let me know how you guys think I did, and what you think of me, what you think of this aesthetic. It is so different to how I just am normally, but I kind of love it. Give this a big thumbs up. Oh my god, my nails just freaked me out just then. Give this a big thumbs up just purely for all this effort I've gone into, and for Seth having to be trapped in the bathroom for like an hour while I do this. Please subscribe to my channel if you like videos like this and want to see more. But yeah, I'm just gonna go finish my bubble tea and live my Asian baby girl fantasy. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.